The goal today is to get everything in order for us to pass our framing inspection. I got to do a bunch of air sealing all the way around. Tons of air seal, silk plate caulk. I'm gonna add some blocking up here. So we have our cedar, 7/16 by 3 tongue and groove. That's for the ceiling up in here. And so I am going to add some more blocking because we want to run the cedar parallel with the floor joists or parallel with the rafters. And in order to do that, we need to block in between so we have something to nail to. So I'm gonna do some blocking. I'm gonna do some air seal. I got some fans to vent and a couple other things just to make sure that we pass our framing inspection, because we're gonna be getting insulation here pretty soon. And then I got drywallers scheduled in about 3 weeks. So that's the goal. Blocking looks okay. Doesn't need to be straight, just needs to be there. This hole for the fireplace ended up not working out. We decided to go with an electric fireplace instead of the wood or gas. It's unfortunate, but it just kind of is what it is, so I'm just going to patch this hole up. Upstairs is all done, ready to go. Got the blocking done, air seal, silk caulk. That's pretty much it. So anyway, I gotta do this fan here. We got this fan in our bathroom. I gotta vent it to the outside. That's part of the deal. We'll do a mechanical and framing inspection at the same time, and that will give us the okay to insulate. I don't have my hole saw today, so I'm just gonna cut it out with a little oscillating saw. And you know, it'll be kind of haggard, but it'll work. Broken. Okay, so the cabin is done. It's ready for frame. Now I'm gonna move on to the shop and roll on that. I'm putting in like a long day's work today because I want to get everything done so that I don't have to come back tomorrow. So quite a bit of work done. So I'm gonna get some lunch and then do the shop. Since our garage door is not installed yet, I had to put a piece of black plastic up just to cover the opening, make sure that no water can get in. The inspector is going to want to see that the area is totally weatherproofed, whether it's windows, doors, or plastic to cover openings. They're not going to sign off a framing inspection without it. Once you get framing signed off, you can insulate, and insulation cannot get wet. So long day today, but we should be good for our framing inspection, so stay tuned to see how that goes.